Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Swizzle Walkaround Slide Break. Ideally you need to know a Swizzle Walkaround already, and knowing a standard slide break would be helpful too. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's easy and quick for you to find them in case you want to go back and review them. But jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Now, this is just like a swizzle walk around, using a slide break as a way out, and it's worth knowing this variation for the simple reason that the end of a standard swizzle walk around is a little bit clunky. There's a kind of slide and kind of movement away and then a double return. This feels much nicer. So standard swizzle slide break to start with, 2 hands, preparation, walking the lady into her turn, right hand drops down. So as I swizzle, we've already got the lady walking forwards. How long you want to walk for is up to you. Then you go to the swizzle the other way, keep on going around the circle. As you do so, you'll end up walking in the same direction round the circle. Instead of walking forwards, you'll be walking backwards. Then we go back to the first side again. And of course, we're still going around the same way, but we're walking forwards. At some point, you release, slide down the arms, catch, and then it's just right-handed return, and it feels much nicer than the standard exit. So we're going to try that one together. It's exactly the same time as usual, and we'll do 2 counts of walking for each set. So let's try it. Here we go. 5, 6, swizzle walk around, slide break. We go back, prep, turn, walk, walk, return, return, walk, walk, turn, turn, walk, walk, slide and catch, return and back. How much rotation you get, of course, will depend on how fast you walk and how long you walk for. I hope you find that one useful. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, providing you have them turned on in your settings, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. You never miss one. Music recommendation on the end. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.